Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a bell tress wig called Camille, and the color is Dark Amber HL. This color looks kind of like a couple of different Rene of Paris colors actually, but the one that I think it represents the most, I mean, it's kind of a toss-up between like chocolate swirl. It looks a little bit like that. It also looks a little bit like coconut spice, and I say that because when you look at the base shade, there's definitely some auburn in there, and then it's got this caramel brown highlight on top, and then it's also got this ash blonde on top, so it's got a lot going on. It is a rooted color, by the way. It's highly dynamic. It's got a lot of highlights. It's really cute on Camille. So let's talk some specs about Camille. I've got her tucked behind one ear at the moment because I think she just looks really cute that way. The front fringe is 8.5 inches. The crown down is 15 inches. And the nape is 14.7 inches. So she's quite long. I'm going to go ahead and do a little turn for you so you can see what Camille looks like on all sides. So yeah, this one is very, very cute on. I would like to tell you in advance though that this is a really dry fiber. There's not a lot of silicone in it. So you'll definitely want to get a really good leave-in treatment, especially for the bottoms. I highly recommend Simply Stylin' silicone spray. Just anything to help with the static resistance so that the hair doesn't tangle, because long wigs don't last very long compared to short ones, and part of the reason is static buildup. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the lace front for this particular wig. So you can see tiny knots, very dense. There's my wig cap. This one also has a monofilament top, and you can see that's really well done mono top there. It's nice and dense. I'm going to go ahead and take Camille off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Here's that color a little closer up, and you can see, yeah, that base shade has a little bit of soft auburn in it, kind of like what you'd find in the coconut spice. And it's got that really nice caramel highlight with that ash blonde. Very, very, very cool looking color. So Camille has a hand-tied lace front and monofilament top. There's soft fuzzy felt lining the perimeter of said monofilament top. It's open on the sides and in the back with soft fuzzy felt down here at the nape. She's adjustable a bit like a bra strap. She's adjustable a bit like a bra strap back here. She's kind of stretchy, but not really that stretchy. Look at that, that's pretty rigid. And then the top doesn't stretch at all. So this one's definitely not one for the large-headed tribe. She's also got closed lace here on the ear tabs. Now I definitely recommend carrying a trusty wide tooth comb with you whenever you wear a wig like Camille. Just so you can kind of smooth her out before putting her back on. Go ahead and put her back on now. And there you go. This one is Camille by TressAllure in the color Dark Amber HL. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully, if you get a moment, get a little bored or curious, you can check out my wig store. It's www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.